Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 5 easy steps to create your own Gmail account. Then first go to Google Chrome and search for create Gmail account. Then you will see a page like this. Then click on the first one, which is create a Gmail account. Create a Gmail account. Then you will see a page like this which shows the procedures you need to follow to create your own Gmail account. But you can also directly click on create an account. Then again it will show you a login page which is for those who have the account already. So you can directly click on create an account here. Then it will ask you whether you need the account for your child, for your personal use, or for your own business. So it depends on your interest, but for now let us click on for our personal use. Then here put your name. Let me put as John, and last name is optional, but you can also fill it as David. Then click on next. Then it will ask you to fill your basic information. Let us fill like this, which is important to know your age, whether you are above 18 or not. So let me put like this. Then select your gender. Then click next. Then it asks you to fill your username. So let me fill like John David in any combinations of letters and numbers. Then click on next. Then it will ask you to create your own password. For the next time to access your account, you need to remember this password. So let us create our own password and click next. Then it shows you a page like this, which is important to verify your account. Your account is already created, but you need to verify your account with existing Gmail account or with phone number. So for now, select your country here and put your phone number. Then you will verify your account. Thanks for watching. Let us meet on the next video. Thank you.